Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Kevin. Hey, Sarah.
Hi, Kevin. You look excited today.
I am. I'm thinking about my next trip.
Oh, nice. Where do you want to go?
Maybe Greece. Or maybe Japan.
Wow, both sound amazing. But, Kevin, to go there, you need one thing first:
One thing. What is it?
the airport.
The airport. Honestly, Sarah, I get nervous.
Really? Why?
It's big. There are so many people, so many signs. It feels confusing.
I understand. A lot of people feel the same way.
Really?
Yes, but today we're going to change that.
How?
We'll walk through the airport together, step by step, in English.
That sounds helpful.
It will be, and by the end, you'll feel ready.
I hope so.
Before we start, just one small thing.
What is it?
If you're enjoying this, please hit subscribe
Yes, it really helps us.
and leave a comment. We love hearing from you.
Okay, now let's go to the airport.
Let's go. So, Kevin, imagine this. You just arrived at the airport.
Okay, I walk through the big glass doors.
Good. What do you see first?
I see a big screen, lots of numbers, city names.
Exactly. That's called the departures board.
Departures board, so it shows planes leaving.
Yes, departures means leaving. Arrivals means coming in.
Got it. So I look for my flight number.
Perfect. You find your flight, and it tells you where to go next.
Where do I go?
To the check-in counter.
Check-in counter. That's the desk with the airline staff, right?
Correct. You go there first.
What do I need?
Two things: your passport and your ticket.
Passport and ticket. Okay,
Sometimes the ticket is on your phone. That's fine too.
good. I always use my phone.
So you walk up and say, "Hello, here's my passport."
Hello, here's my passport. That's easy.
Very easy. The agent checks it.
What happens next?
They ask about your bags.
My bags. This is where I get confused.
Why?
There are two types, right?
Yes, the checked bag and the carry-on.
Can you explain?
Of course. The checked bag is big. You give it to the agent.
And I don't see it again?
Not until you land. It goes under the plane.
Okay, checked bag, big, goes under.
And the carry-on is small. You keep it with you.
I carry it onto the plane.
Exactly. Carry on. You carry it on.
That's easy to remember. But Sarah, what if my checked bag is too heavy?
Then you pay extra. It's called a fee.
I don't like fees.
Nobody does. So pack light.
Good advice.
Next, they ask about your seat.
My seat?
Yes, they say, "Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?"
Window or aisle? What's the difference?
A window seat is next to the window. You can see the sky.
That sounds nice. I like looking outside.
An aisle seat is next to the walkway.
So I can stand up easily?
Yes, it's easier to move around.
I think I prefer aisle.
Then you say, "Aisle seat, please."
Aisle seat, please. I'll remember that.
After that, they give you something important:
What is it?
your boarding pass.
Boarding pass. Is that like a ticket?
Yes, it lets you get on the plane.
So I should keep it safe.
Very safe. Don't lose it.
I'll keep it with my passport.
Perfect. Now comes the next step:
What's next?
security.
Oh no, security always makes me nervous.
I know, but if you're prepared, it's actually easy.
Really? What do I need to do?
First, you put your things in a plastic box.
A box.
Yes, it's called a tray or a bin.
A tray. Okay, what goes in it?
Your carry-on bag, your phone, your keys, your wallet.
Everything?
Almost. You also need to take out your laptop.
My computer?
Yes, it needs its own tray.
I always forget that.
Now you won't. And usually you take off your belt and your shoes.
My shoes? In the airport?
Yes, it sounds funny, but it's for safety.
Okay, so What kind of shoes should I wear?
Comfortable ones, easy to take off.
Like slip-on shoes?
Perfect. Slip-on shoes are the best.
Good tip. What about my water bottle?
Ah, big rule. No liquids over 100 milliliters.
So I can't bring my water?
Not through security. You have to finish it or throw it away.
That's sad.
But you can buy water inside after security.
Oh, that makes sense.
So remember, shoes off, laptop out, no water.
Got it.
Then you walk through the metal detector.
The big arch thing?
Yes. Beep.
Hopefully, no beep.
Hopefully. And then you're through.
So the hard part is done?
Yes. Now you're airside.
Airside. That means I'm inside the airport, past security?
Correct. Now you need to find your gate.
The gate. That's the door to the plane, right?
Yes. Your boarding pass has the gate number.
Like gate B42?
Exactly. You just follow the signs.
B42. B42. Found it.
Good job. Usually you have some time before your flight.
I like this part. I always get coffee.
Of course, coffee is part of the routine.
It really is. I get a coffee, maybe a snack, and I sit near the gate.
Smart move. You should stay close to the gate
Why?
because you need to listen for announcements.
Announcements? Like what?
Like, Flight 123 is now boarding.
Boarding. That means getting on the plane, right?
Yes. Or sometimes they say, Flight 123 is delayed.
Delayed? That's not good.
No, delayed means late. On time means good. Canceled means go home.
Oh no, let's not cancel.
Let's imagine your flight is on time.
Perfect.
So the agent says, we are now boarding.
And I show my boarding pass.
Yes, you show it again.
Again?
Yes, they scan it. Then you walk down a long tunnel.
The tunnel to the plane?
It's called the Jet Bridge.
Jet Bridge. Cool name.
You walk through it and step onto the plane.
The flight attendants are there?
Yes, they smile and say hello.
I smile and say hello back.
Then you find your seat.
24C, my aisle seat.
Perfect. You sit down and fasten your seatbelt.
Fasten my seatbelt. Click.
And then
We fly.
into the sky.
Exactly.
But Kevin, the routine isn't finished yet.
It's not?
No. After you land, there's one more step.
One more? What is it?
If you're in a different country, you go to immigration.
Immigration. What's that?
It's also called passport control.
Oh, the officers in the booths?
Yes, they check your passport again.
Do they ask questions?
Sometimes. The most common question is, what is the purpose of your visit?
Purpose of your visit. That means, why am I here?
Exactly. And you just need a simple answer.
Like what?
If you're traveling for fun, say vacation or tourism.
Vacation. Easy.
If it's for work, say business.
Business. Got it. What else do they ask?
How long are you staying?
1 week or 10 days.
Perfect. Short and honest answers.
Short and honest. I can do that. Sarah, what if they ask where I'm staying?
Good question. They might ask, where will you be staying?
And I say the hotel name?
Yes, or you can say, at a hotel in the city center.
Hotel in the city center. Simple.
Very simple. Sometimes they ask, do you have anything to declare?
Declare. What does that mean?
It means, do you have anything special in your bag, like expensive items or food?
What if I don't?
Then you say, no, nothing to declare.
No, nothing to declare. Okay. What if I do have something?
Then you tell them honestly. It's always better to be honest.
I agree. So after immigration, what happens?
You go to baggage claim.
Baggage claim. That's where my big suitcase comes back.
Yes, you wait at the carousel.
The moving belt.
Exactly. You watch the bags go round and round.
Until I see mine.
Right. But Kevin, here's a tip.
What tip?
Look at the screens.
Screens?
Yes, they show which carousel has your flight number.
Oh, so I don't wait at the wrong one.
Exactly. Find your flight number, then go to that carousel.
Smart. What if my bag doesn't come?
That's called lost luggage.
Lost luggage. That sounds terrible.
It's not common, but it can happen. You go to the airline desk.
And what do I say?
You say, "Excuse me, my bag didn't arrive."
Excuse me, my bag didn't arrive. Then what?
They'll ask for your baggage claim ticket.
What's that?
It's a small sticker on your boarding pass. It has numbers on it.
Oh, the little receipt thing.
Yes, keep it safe. They use it to track your bag.
Good to know. Hopefully my bag always comes.
It usually does. So you grab your bag. What's next?
Customs?
Correct. You're learning fast.
Thank you. So, customs, what happens there?
You'll see two doors, green and red.
Green and red, like traffic lights?
Yes, green means nothing to declare.
So I just walk through?
Yes, red means you have something to declare.
Like what?
Expensive purchases, large amounts of money, certain foods.
I usually don't have those.
Then you take the green door. It's very quick.
And then I'm finally outside?
Yes, you're in the arrivals area.
Arrivals area. Is that different from departures?
Yes, departures is where you start. Arrivals is where you finish.
That makes sense. What do I see in arrivals?
Lots of people. Some are waiting with signs.
Signs with names?
Yes, taxi drivers or hotel staff.
What if I need a taxi?
You look for the taxi stand.
Taxi stand. Where is that?
Follow the signs. They usually say taxis or ground transportation.
Ground transportation. That sounds fancy.
It does. It just means buses, taxis, and trains.
So I follow the signs, find the taxi stand, then what?
You wait in line, and when it's your turn, you tell the driver your destination.
Please take me to the Grand Hotel.
Perfect. Very clear.
What if I take a bus or train instead?
Then look for signs that say bus, train, or metro.
Metro. That's the subway, right?
Yes, different cities use different names.
So many names.
True, but they all mean the same thing.
Sarah, what about money? Do I need cash at the airport?
It's good to have some. You can use an ATM.
The cash machine?
Yes, there are ATMs in the arrivals area.
That's helpful. What about exchanging money?
There are currency exchange offices too.
Where I change dollars to euros?
Exactly. But Kevin, here's a tip.
What is it?
Airport exchange rates are not always the best.
Really?
Yes, it's usually better to use an ATM or exchange money in the city.
Good advice. I'll remember that.
One more thing. If you're hungry, there are restaurants and cafes.
In the arrivals area?
Sometimes, but there are more in departures.
Right. So after I get my taxi or train, where do I go?
To your hotel or accommodation.
Accommodation. That means where I'm staying.
Yes, hotel, hostel, Airbnb, all accommodation.
And that's it. The airport journey is complete.
Yes, you did it, from check-in to arrival.
Wow, when you explain it like this, it's really not so scary.
It's not, just a series of small steps.
Check-in, security, gate, boarding, landing, immigration, baggage, customs, exit.
Perfect summary.
I feel much more confident now.
That's wonderful. And the more you travel, the easier it gets.
I believe it. One last question, Sarah.
Go ahead.
What if I need help at the airport?
Great question. You can ask airport staff.
What do I say?
Excuse me, can you help me?
Simple.
Or, where is the gate? Where is baggage claim? Where is the exit?
Where is, and then the place I need.
Exactly. People are usually very helpful.
That's good to know. I think I'm really ready now.
I think so too. So, where will you go first?
Maybe Greece. The islands look beautiful.
They are. I went to Santorini once.
Really? How was it?
Amazing. The sunsets are unforgettable.
Now I really want to go.
You should, and you'll do great at the airport.
Thanks to this conversation.
So, Kevin, we're at the end of our airport journey.
We are. Time flies.
Good one. So, before we finish, we have a question for you.
Yes, we want to know.
Do you prefer window or aisle?
Tell us in the comments. I prefer window because, or I prefer aisle because.
We love reading your reasons.
And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next episode.
Share this with your travel buddy, too.
Thank you so much for listening today.
Safe travels, everyone.
Have a wonderful trip. Goodbye. See you next time. Bye-bye.